Hello, my name is Haley Susan Lathrop. I like to be known by Haley. I live in Vancouver, Washington, located in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States. It's about 15 minutes away from Portland, Oregon. I have lived here with my family for 13 years. We moved here from Okinawa, Japan, where we lived for a total of 9 years. Since I've lived in Washington, I've picked up a few hobbies. I love being outdoors. I like to rock climb, surf, and snowboard. I also like to draw, and one of my favorite things to draw are portraits of people. I went to school in Washington State University. I was one of 32 students selected into the teaching program. I graduated with honors and have a Bachelor's of Arts in Elementary Education. Having the background knowledge and teaching that I do, I find that I'd be a great asset to have aboard the Cheongdam teaching staff. I have a little bit of experience working with English language learners and have taken courses in school primarily based for English as a second language. So having that knowledge I find would be really beneficial towards not only the students but also other teachers to help them out as well. I really like the slogan, passion for teaching and compassion for learners. I find that this is a philosophy that every teacher should live by. You have to love what you do in order to be an effective teacher, and you have to have an understanding for your students as well. I really, really hope that you consider me to be a part of the Cheongdam teaching staff. I would love to come to Korea and learn more about the Korean culture and immerse myself into something unknown and discover new possibilities of a different culture. So once again, thank you. Thank you for your consideration and watching this video, and I really hope I hear from you soon. Thank you.